what is Snapchat Plus and how to get it. In this short video, I'm going to explain to you what Snapchat Plus is and how you can access it on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So, Snapchat have recently launched a new feature called Snapchat Plus. The way to be able to access this on your phone is by clicking on your profile icon in the top left hand corner, and then underneath your username you will see them advertising Snapchat Plus if it's available to you. Currently it's not available to me, but I found an article online about it. I'll just walk you through some of the features. So it says here that Snapchat Plus is Snapchat's new subscription plan available on both iPhone and Android. It costs $3.99 per month, and it lets you change the app icon and see who's rewatched your stories, among other features. So as you can see here, it's got 3 different pricing models. So it's a monthly charge, 6 months, or you can pay for the whole year. Each option you'll get a week-long free trial. Then the 3 main features that Snapchat is advertising to attract Plus users are the ability to change Snapchat's app icon, a way to see who's rewatched your stories, and a special pin that lets you mark specific friends as BFFs. You'll also get a badge on your profile and the ability to see your friends' ghost trails on the map. In other words, a history of where they've been recently. So you'll get a badge on your profile that says you've got Snapchat Plus, and you'll also be able to see other users with this badge if they've signed up for Snapchat Plus. And that's all you need to know about Snapchat Plus and how to get it. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.